It was a sunny morning, and David's family was ready for a simple but happy camping day.
Is everyone ready for our camping trip?
Yes, Dad. I am so excited. I brought my flashlight.
Good job, Luka.
I brought my teddy bear.
Is Teddy ready for camping too?
Teddy has never slept in a tent before. Then today is his first camping day.
That sounds very special.
The campsite is near a small lake.
Can we go fishing there?
Yes, Luka. We can fish together.
Can I see the fish?
Of course, but we must be gentle.
And we must keep the lake clean.
I know. No trash in the water. No trash anywhere.
That is right.
Who wants to sing a camping song?
We're on a happy trip, singing all the way. The sun is shining bright, what a lovely day.
We are here, everyone.
Wow! There are so many trees. And I can see the lake.
This place is beautiful.
First, we need to set up the tent.
Oh, I can help with the poles.
Lucy, can you help me spread this silver mat?
Yes, Mom. I can do that. Dad, where does this pole go?
Put it through this long part.
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
Our tent looks like a big house. A very small house.
A small house in the forest.
Can we walk to that small path, Mom? May we look around near the trees?
Yes, but stay near me and walk slowly.
Lucy, stay close to me. Okay, Luka. I will walk beside you. Wow, the forest is so big.
Yes, but we should only walk near our tent.
Look, there are many small flowers.
This yellow flower is so pretty.
Can I pick it?
No, Lucy. Let it grow.
Okay, I will only look. I see a bird in the tree. Where? Up there, on that branch. Oh, I see it now.
Lucy, where is our tent?
I don't know. I thought it was behind those trees.
Oh no. I think we walked too far.
Luka, where is the way out?
I am not sure.
I feel scared. Stay close to me. We should not run. Should we call Mom and Dad?
Yes.
Mom! Dad! Hello? Are you lost?
Yes. We cannot find our tent. We walked too far from the lake.
Don't worry. My name is Ben. I live near the mountain. I am Luka. And I am Lucy.
Nice to meet you. I know this forest well. I can help you go back.
Thank you, Ben.
We should have stayed near the tent. It is okay, but next time, walk with a grown-up. The forest is beautiful, but it can be confusing.
This is the best adventure ever!
I know! I can't believe we found this path! Let's see what's over that hill. Wait! I hear something.
Where is it coming from?
I think it is near that tree.
Oh no! A little squirrel!
It is so cute, but it is not running away. I think its leg is hurt.
Can we help it?
Yes, but we must not touch it too much. Wild animals can be scared. What should we do? My grandfather knows a forest helper. We can tell him. Poor little squirrel. Be strong, little friend. Come on. First, I will take you back to your parents. Then we will get help for the squirrel.
Thank you, Ben. You are very kind.
I am happy we met you. New friends should help each other.
Luka and Lucy learned 2 important lessons. They should not walk too far without a grown-up, and even a small animal needs care and kindness.
Your tent is over there. You are safe now.
Thank you, Ben. You helped us a lot. Bye, Ben. I hope we can play together again.
Luka, are you ready to fish?
Yes, Dad. I am ready. I want to come too.
I will stay here and prepare the food.
Then I will not go fishing. I will stay and help you, Mom.
Thank you, Lucy. That is very kind.
I can see the fish later. I will tell you everything when I come back.
Come on, Luka. Let's go.
Let's go.
Dad, do you think we'll catch a really big fish today?
We just might, Luka, if we are patient.
Dad, how do I hold the fishing rod?
Hold it with both hands and wait calmly.
I will try.
Good. Fishing needs patience.
Dad, my rod is moving.
Pull fastly, Luka.
Look at all the fish we caught today, Dad.
We make a great team, Luka.
Can we come back tomorrow? Can we come back tomorrow?
Dinner is ready, everyone.
It smells so good. I caught a fish today with Dad.
Yes, Luka was very patient.
Wow, Luka, you did a great job.
Now we can all enjoy the fish together.
I am so happy. This food is so yummy.
Food tastes better when we eat together.
Yes. We played, learned, and helped each other.